guys, welcome to Zoe's Magical Beanstalk, and we are going to be doing the Taste Test Challenge drinking version. So we have all of these drinks that we're going to taste.
Your name?
My name is Zoe, and she is Paris.
All right, let the challenge begin. All right, so I'm going to give this to you. I want you to take a drink, and then I want you to tell me what it is, okay? That you just drank. All right, here's the first one. Zoe, bringing it. There you go. It's in your hand.
Wait, tell us when to drink it.
How are you supposed to drink it?
No, like tell us when to.
Drink.
Now, go ahead.
Don't say what it is yet until after
Don't
the
say
second
what it
opponent
is.
has drunk. Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
This one?
It's really good.
All right. Now, Paris.
It rubbed off.
That's okay. All right. And Linda, could you do this part? So I
Yes.
can hold the camera? All right. On the count of three, I want y'all to say what you think it is. 1, 2, 3.
Yellow. Orange juice. Oh yeah. Orange juice. I have to retaste it.
Let's see. She said yellow. Okay, what was it?
It's only orange juice.
All right, we got to give 1 point to Zoe on that one
Yeah.
because she was right on it. And if you don't know what it is, we'll give you some choices after
Where's
you
my
do it.
orange juice?
All right. Let's see.
That was good.
Let's see. All right. So Zoe
Paris.
went first that time. So Paris, you'll go first.
Some Dr.
Arms up.
Pepper.
Hands up. Here's your drink. Paris. Here,
Oh,
reach
he
for.
said hands.
You got it. You got it.
Give
Okay.
it.
Do not say what it is. And don't let
Don't
go
say
of it
nothing yet.
until
Until
you know.
I have it. Here. All right. I don't have it yet. Paris, hold your fan up. We can't see you. Okay. Okay. Okay, crazy.
All right.
All right. Well, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Dr. Pepper.
What did you say, Paris?
RC. Paris got it.
Paris got what?
It was
Yes,
cherry
it was
RC.
Cherry RC.
It tastes like Dr. Pepper.
I know, right?
All right.
All right, the next one, Zoe. So far, we're all tied. Put your hands on the table, please. And grab
Now.
the cup. You ready?
Is it going to be good or bad?
I don't know.
Let's see.
Oh,
No,
You done
don't spit
tasting?
it out. And don't let go until your
Drink
mom
some.
takes
Don't
it
let go
from
till
you.
I get it.
Do not spit it out.
Okay.
Okay.
that was definitely.
Don't say it. Don't say
Don't
it.
say
I
it.
really want to.
Okay.
On the count of 3.
1, 2, 3.
Gatorade lime lemon. Gatorade lime cucumber.
Paris, what do you think?
I'm just gonna say the green.
Yeah, the green one, which is the one that I was talking about.
Okay. Y'all both got a point on that. Gatorade cucumber lime.
Oh, wow. So Zoe said
Yeah.
cucumber lime.
All right.
5.
All right.
Stink.
All
That
right.
was crazy.
Horrible.
All
Are
right.
y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait. What's me?
Let me see before we rub on. Who went first last time?
Huh?
I know. You got it? Don't let it go till I grab it back from you.
Don't say it yet.
Don't say nothing.
Whatever y'all do, don't spit
Okay.
it out.
I know what it is.
On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
Ginger ale lemonade.
Yes. Lemonade ginger ale. We got to get that one to Zoe. You were close, Pear.
Yes. But it was 2 drinks mixed in one. It was ginger ale, lemonade ginger ale.
Ginger ale. All right.
All right.
Yep.
So the next one,
Let's see.
Ooh.
all right.
Ooh.
Zoe. Okay. Okay, you gotta leave some for your contestant.
Huh?
For the
I
other contestant.
know what it is. I know what it is. I just can't remember the name.
All right. In 3, 2, 1.
Cranberry juice.
Cranberry juice. You both got it.
All right.
All right.
The next one,
Yep.
Paris. You got it? Don't spit it out. Zoe?
Zoe?
Hands on the table? Oh, you got it? Nope. Nope.
I'll
That's
spit
all right.
some.
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't give it a taste. Oh, I know what it is now. Wait a minute.
Three.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
3.
I know,
Two.
but I don't.
Hold on. Don't take off your thing.
She not
3,
trying to say.
2, 1.
The red,
Red, Gatorade.
Gatorade.
Strawberry. Gatorade.
To both of you.
Oh,
Nobody got that one right.
Okay, I'll trade for the lemonade Gatorade.
That's what it was.
But that round is over. Who was
It was lemon lime.
first on this one?
Paris was first last
Zoe, this
time.
is you. Put your hands on the table. You got it?
This one is the red one.
Shh, don't talk until it's over.
Don't know.
I don't know which one this is.
All right. In 3, 2, 1.
the red, Gatorade.
The strawberry Gatorade.
All right. Y'all both got it right.
Ding, 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 yeah.
Mm-hmm.
In class,
I'm gonna take them off.
in
And now,
class when someone does
Can we
it
take them
white.
off?
no.
In
One
class,
more.
In class when someone does it
We're
white.
gonna get this to both of y'all.
This one is going to be squirrel.
We're
All
gonna
right,
get this
if
to
y'all
both
are
of
both
you.
reach your hands out.
Oh.
Y'all both are tasting this
It's
at
okay.
the same time. Do not
Mhm.
spit it out and do not drop it until I'm gonna take it back from you.
3. No.
Wait,
Pepper.
Paris.
All right. In 3,
Three,
2,
two,
1.
Okay.
All right. And what was that? In 3,
Chai tea.
2, 1.
Chai. No, buttermilk. Buttermilk. That was
Huh?
buttermilk.
Buttermilk, I go
Is
with.
that your final answer?
Yeah.
Buttermilk for you. What about you, Paris?
Wait, buttermilk with some yeah, just buttermilk.
I'll go with her, please.
You gonna go with her?
Because I don't know what this is.
Was it tasty? Was it yummy?
It was okay.
It was okay.
Want to taste some more?
Yeah, I need to say some more.
All right.
Hand up, Zoe. 3, 2, go.
It's butter.
Yeah, it's probably-
Milk. Yeah. That's buttermilk.
All right. And that's your final answer?
Yeah.
Buttermilk?
Yeah.
Okay, you can take them off.
Butter chai tea. So it's
Butter.
butter
I knew
chai
I was
tea
about to say chai tea.
and
I was about to say chai tea.
You
I
can't
need
see
help
them.
getting this
Wait, I wanted to hear.
It's okay.
It was butter, chai tea, and almond milk.
So it was buttermilk.
It was chai tea.
I get a half a point.
It was chai tea.
I get a half a point.
It wasn't butter
I
milk.
get a half a point.
Oh my goodness. All right.
She's joking.
So now we get the crazies. All right, so that's the end of your challenge.
I want y'all to see what y'all drinks look like.
I don't think you would have drank it if
Oh,
you know
gosh.
what it looked like. Let's see.
Give me your cups.
Look at it, guys. Look at it.
Ew.
Ew, to
The
the
buttermilk curdled around the ice.
And there was chunks of butter in there. Like there's chunks.
The butters, that is,
Yeah,
curdled
chunks.
around the ice.
The chunks was the butter.
It looks like throw up.
Ew, that's so gross. Y'all was like, it
All
wasn't
right.
bad.
And so, came out 5-4. Zoe won the challenge this time.
Yeah.
Prepare the one that you missed was, which one?
It was the one right at, no, it was right before it was
The
1, 2, 3 ginger ale lemonade.
ginger ale lemonade, and also,
And also, it was one more. It was
Oh,
one
no.
of the first ones.
And you
no,
know what?
that was it, because that's 5-4.
and Zoe missed.
Zoe missed.
They both missed.
They both missed one. They both
I
They
missed.
missed
both
the
missed
I
one,
missed-
and
I
they
missed-
both missed two.
I missed the R.
So you
The
think
RC
it's
Cola.
RC.
Oh, Zoe missed the RC. Yeah, that's when Paris caught up to her. That was the second one.
Yeah.
Zoe had got the first one. Then Zoe missed the second one, but so Paris tied it with her. Then they both got that one.
Paris missed the first one.
Paris missed the first one.
Which
Zoe
one-
missed
which
the
one was
second
the
one, so
first
that
one?
tied them
Yeah.
up.
Wait, which one was the first?
But then on the third one, they both got the third one.
Why is that orange juice?
And then
Ginger
Paris
ale.
missed that one.
Yep.
I said
And that's
orange
how-
juice.
First you said
Oh,
yellow.
You said a little bit,
My
yeah.
hands, guys. Look at right here.
All right. So anyway,
Oh.
tell your fans you'll see them later.
See you later, guys. Bye. Look at my fingers.
Finger.